Well, let's take a live look outside on this fantastic fall Friday. It's seasonably cool with lots of sunshine, but clouds will build throughout the day. Let's send it over to Marty Bass in the First Alert Weather Center. And Marty, you're tracking some weekend rain.
Yeah, we are. And well, I tell you what, let's jump right into it. Nikki, always great to see you. Hi, everybody. 5 after the hour. Let's take a look at the forecast. Fantastic right now. A ton of sun in the area, but we are going to see this afternoon clouds pile in. 57 degrees is the high. 41 cloudy, chilly overnight. We are definitely tracking some rain coming in the area tomorrow. But having said that, radar doesn't lie, and this is the national composite. And I want you to note there's a little bit of lake effect action trying to dive our way. I don't think 8 out of 10 of us are even going to see a sprinkle. And this is not the moisture we're talking about, but I just wanted to show it to you, and we'll take a closer look at that also coming up shortly. Right now, temps in the area in the low mid 50s, let's say 53 Towson, 55 Abingdon, 54 Columbia, 57 Glen Burnie. As we move through the day, it's going to be a fairly interesting afternoon with temperatures really not moving all that much. We're forecasting a high of 57. But if, like we see in Carroll County right now, you're in the mid 50s, you may be peaking out because there's not going to be a lot of sun peeking out from behind clouds that are obviously starting to move our way. You saw that little bit of moisture on the radar. That's going to be accompanied by some clouds. More First Alert details coming up shortly, and I'm going to throw it over to you.
Welcome back. Let's take a live look at the WJZ Outback right now. 55 degrees. I've got to say, seasonably cool with lots of sunshine today. Just an all-around fantastic Friday, Marty.
Well, I was just getting a closer look at that picture. To the right-hand side of it would be basically north and west of Television Hill. That's where some clouds are coming our way. So the morphing from sun to clouds is obviously begun. So right now your current temperature is 55. No wind chill. We finally did lose that steady breeze and gusty winds. Barometer is at 30.14. Look at that. Humidity only 31%. Pretty dry out there right now. Just a westerly breeze at 12. But here's the radar we were just looking at. And again, this is some lake effect action. And most of it's losing its umph as it starts downsloping out of the higher elevations of the Laurel Highlands in southwestern PA and the mountains, if you want to call it that, the Appalachians out in western Maryland. I just don't think it's going to be a huge issue at all. But again, here comes some clouds our way, and you will see some moisture traveling northwest to southeast, but well away from the area as I keep moving the futurecast forward tonight, 9 o'clock, basically following the Potomac River. This isn't the rain we're talking about. In the forecast, the concern of rain. And frankly, we need the rain so badly, it's not a concern. It's a welcome part of the forecast. That's going to be tomorrow night, but we are going to have a pretty significant amount of clouds move our way. Tomorrow, your neighborhood forecast really is showing temperatures in the mid to upper 50s and varying amounts of clouds. You did see the futurecast showing every once in a while clouds, every once in a while partly cloudy, and eventually getting a little bit sunny before the rain comes into the area. 59 degrees is going to be the high this day. Shower risk after 3 p.m. 59, shower risk after 3. 62 degrees on Sunday. Wind gust of 30 to 35 miles an hour. Gusty still on Monday, 51. 49 on Tuesday, 51 Wednesday, 54 degrees on Thursday. Nikki, over to you. Okay, so we want to go ahead and take another look at the 7-day forecast. We'll start off with tomorrow, the percentage chance of rain as we move through the day. Note it's going to be an afternoon, mid to late afternoon through evening event. Not an enormous amount of rain coming our way, but nonetheless in the forecast. Let's concentrate on the overnight lows. Really, other than that 32 Monday night, a fairly, I think, gentle 7-day forecast moving toward Thanksgiving. I mean, Black Friday's 2 weeks from today.
Exactly. Not bad for November fall week.
No, not really.
All.